Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Sphere, and in today's video we are going to be building the BrickCraft Brick-O-Lantern set. And as you can see, this set has 233 pieces, and it has 2 light bricks. So this is going to be a really cool set, so remember to smash that like and subscribe button for some awesome videos with Justin Sphere, and here's the time lapse for this set. Hey guys, so that was the time lapse for the BrickCraft Brick-O-Lantern set, and as you can see, this is a pumpkin that is also a jack-o'-lantern. And as you can see, this light brick works really nicely for the sets, and this is a very cool little set. So remember to smash that like and subscribe button for some awesome videos with Justin Sphere. I'll see you next video with Justin Sphere. See ya.